Happy Monday, Planner World. This is Emily with DEK Designs, and this is Plan With Me for the week of Valentine's Day. So I will be planning February the 12th through Sunday the 18th. And the kit I'm going to be using is called Can't Touch This, and I'm using the glossy finish this week to show that off. I know that matte is the most popular, such as this, but I really like the shine on glossy and love how my pen looks on it. So I wanted to show everyone what our glossy looks like. And I thought this would be a cute kit to use for Valentine's Day week, because it's a cactus and it's called Can't Touch This, and I just thought it was pretty funny to use that. And I love the light green and pink colors, and the quotes on here: never stop dreaming, even the darkest night will end and the stars will rise. Here's your half boxes, checklists, and the weekend banner. Washi date covers, little ones, where you can add the activity with them. The headers, and we have glitter headers and some deco that match the kit. Okay, so I am going to get started. Alright, so this is Can't Touch This with the glossy finish, and I must say I am obsessed with this kit. I mean, green and pink together, the light green and pink is so beautiful, and I like how I chose the gold because there's tiny accents of gold in this kit, so that kind of just pops and brings all of that out. And the deco, I loved using it between the boxes. I think it was a nice way to divide up the days of the week. And on the deco sheet, I used meal plan. I know I meal plan on Tuesday. I'm weird, I guess. So I put that there. I put the little one with mail on Valentine's Day. I put not today on Monday because I decided not to work out today. So I'll use today as my rest day. Not happening today. So, and then Sunday, plan next week. I have been doing Plan With Me's on Monday, but I'm going to try to switch it back to Sunday just because I like Monday just already having everything filled out and ready to go for me. So Once again, this is Can't Touch This for Valentine's Day week. I will see everybody again for new releases on Friday. Have a great week and a happy Valentine's Day.